Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start 13 questions of the exercise 10.1. We already learned what is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter of the any figure. How will you find? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Otherwise you can say that perimeter means total length of outer boundary. Suppose you want to find the perimeter of this duster. How will you find? What is this length? Plus this one, plus this one, plus. So total length of outer boundary. And these formula direct you can remember. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square 4 into side and this one. Question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter. Its side is given 250 meter. Everyone know. What is square? Square means a closed figure, a figure which have in a square. All sides are always equal. It is 250, 250, 250, 250. We want to find what is cost of fencing. Suppose we want to, if we want to fencing, where we will do? Like this one. Outside of the outer boundary of the square and outer boundary. Total length of outer boundary, what we called? Perimeter. So we will find its perimeter. So first we will write side of square. Side of square 250 meter. We want to find what is the total cost and what is the given the cost of fencing? 20 rupees per meter. Per meter. Understand or not? 20 rupees per meter. It means if length is only 1 meter, then total cost 20 rupees. If length is total 2 meter, then total cost 2 into 20. So first we will find what is the total length of fencing. Okay. So we will write first. So write perimeter of square. Everyone know what is perimeter of square? 4 into side. Side 4 into 250. How much? 1000 meter. It means what is total perimeter of square? 1000 meter. Perimeter means total length of outer boundary. So right, we will write cost of fencing. Cost of fencing 1 meter. What is the cost of cost of fencing of 1 meter? How much given? 20 rupees. But total length, how much? What is the total length of fencing? Where we want to 1000 meter, because fencing we want to do on outer side. What is the total length of outer side? Is 1000. So write total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing 1000 meter. How much? 20. Tell me. Cost of fencing 1 meter 20 rupees. Cost of fencing of 2 meter 2 into 20. Cost of fencing of 3 meter 3 into 20. And cost of fencing of 1000 is how much? 20 multiply 1000. How much? It is 12340. 12340 rupees. So how much cost of fencing? 20,000. How much total? 20,000. So it is our 13th question. Question number 14, 15, 16. All are same. You will do yourself. Understand? Look at now. Next is question number 14. What is question number 14? Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular park. It is a rectangular park whose length is 175 meter and breadth is 125 meter. We have to find the total cost of fencing of a rectangle and cost of the fencing is 12 rupees per meter. So it means where we will do fencing we will do here outside of the boundary. So it means first we will find perimeter of this rectangle. So find the perimeter of rectangle by this formula, 2 into L plus B. Length you know, B you know. And in last, same as it is in question number 13, we will do multiply by 12 because cost of 1 meter, cost of fencing of 1 meter is 12 rupees. And first we will find what is the total length of fencing. So we will find by perimeter and multiply by 12. Same as it is question, okay? Do yourself. Next is question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square park. It is a square park whose length is 75 meter, and Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. Two park is given. One is rectangular, one is a square whose length is 60 meter and next is 45 meter. We want to find who covers less distance. Yes, Bulbul and Sweetie runs. Where is runs? Around the rectangle. Bulbul is where will run? Here. Around. It is around of the rectangle. Yes. Bulbul is around the rectangle. And Sweetie runs around square. So what we are doing? We are using of perimeter. So tell me where Bulbul is running of the perimeter. How much? Where is the Bulbul is running? Where? The perimeter of the rectangle. So we will find perimeter of rectangle. So it is the total length covered by Sweetie. Understand? And we will find perimeter of a square. It is total distance covered by Sweetie and this distance covered by Bulbul. Understand? So we will write like this one. What is given? Sweetie, a square park. So write side of square park. Okay? Equal to how much? 75 meter. So we will write. So write total distance covered by Sweetie. How much? Total distance, because Sweetie is running around the square. So total distance covered by Sweetie, how much? Equal to the perimeter of square. What is perimeter of square? 4 into side. 4 into 75. How much? So how much distance covered by Sweetie? 300. Same as it is, we will find total distance covered by Bulbul equal to total distance covered by Bulbul equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. So 60 plus 45, 105 into 2. So it is come total distance 210. So who covers more? So covers more Sweetie, and who covers less? Bulbul. So do yourself this question also. Next is, what is the perimeter of the each of the following? So we have to find the perimeter of each figure. What do you infer from the answer? What you can guess from the answer? So you will, when you will find the perimeter of all figures, you will check it, all of the figures have the same perimeter. So we will write, we can infer all the figures have same perimeter. Question number 17. Last. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs each of side. Yes, Avneet buys how many square? 9 square. And each of side is 1/2 meter. How many? 9. He lays in the form first. What is the perimeter of his arrangement? So there are 9 squares here, which is given in the first part of this one. 9 square. Yes. Suppose these are square, okay? These are the 9 squares and each of side is 1 by 2 meter. So write side of each square. How much? 1 by 2 half meter. Next is given what is perimeter of this arrangement. We have to find perimeter of this arrangement. How will you find? Perimeter means total length of outer boundary. You know 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yes, what is total length? It is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Because there are the 9 square. Understand or not? So first we will find. So we will write here each side of arrangement. How much each side? Half plus half plus half. And fraction, how can we add? Everyone know by taking LCM. What is LCM of 2? LCM of 2 and 2, how much is 2? And how to add? Always remember, LCM is divided by denominator. 2 divided by 2, what we get? 1. And what we get? Multiply by numerator. So 1 into 1, 1. So it is come 1, 1, 1. 1. So it is come 3 by 2 meter. So what is the total length? Total length of this arrangement, how much become? It is become 3 by 2 meter. So each length. But we want to find perimeter. So you write, I am writing here, otherwise I am writing here. So write here perimeter of arrangement is how much? It is become each side is 3 by 2. It means it is a square. So write 4 into side. Square becomes perimeter of square 4 into side. So 4 multiply 3 upon 2. So 2 cancel 2. So what is? It is 6 meter. Understand it? Okay, next is next part, B part of 17 question. B part. Sri does not like his arrangement. So Sri, one more boys, he does not like his arrangement. She get him to lay them out like a cross. What is perimeter? And Sri arrange like this one. All the 9 square. Like this one. 9 square. How much? 9. You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have to find what is perimeter. So we will write, we have to find perimeter. Each side is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes. Because it is a square and each side is 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And here 1 by 2 and it is also 1 by 2. So we have to find the total length. Understand? So write perimeter of series arrangement. How much? Arrangement. How much? Half plus half. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Because what is perimeter? Perimeter is total length of outer boundary. Outer boundary only. And this one. Understand? So what we will do? So look at 1 by 2. So how will you find? 1 second. So total length of outer boundary. So it is Yes, this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So what? How will you find? So it means everyone is half. Understand? It is also half. So we will find. Okay. So do yourself. Add all of them. Understand? So you can find. I am making it a big figure. Yes, perimeter means we have to find perimeter. It is the 1 square. These are 9 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how will you find? So perimeter means total length of this one A, B. You can write like this one also. A, B, C, D, and here E, F, G, H, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. How will you find? It is half plus half. Half plus half, 1. Understand? So you can write total perimeter of Sharif's arrangement. How much? It is AB plus BC plus CD, DE, EF and FG. Like this one you will add. So always AB is how much? Half plus half is 1 plus this one BC is also 1, CD half plus, to add all of them it will become perimeter. So understand it? So do yourself this question also, B part. Now this exercise has been finished. Okay, now which has great C part, which has greater perimeter? So in first part we find it is how much? It is 6, and in B part we will also find. And if suppose in B is 10 meter, so which one is greater? So B is greater. If B is 5, so which one is greater? So A has greater perimeter. So find perimeter of the second figure yourself. Next is Avneet, D part. Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. So Avneet getting more. Avneet want to getting a more perimeter of this figure. Can you find a way of doing? Yes. So you write, yes, we can arrange all squares in a row. So it means if Avneet arrange all the square in a like this one figure, 1, 2, 3, 8, and it is 9. Understand? Then he get more. He can get more perimeter. Understand? That is half, because each side is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it is become a rectangle. How will you find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 10. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So you can find it. So you will find its perimeter. When you will get its perimeter, it is come 10 meter. How much? 10 meters. So solve yourself this one also. Find its perimeter also. Okay. How will you add perimeter? It is become a rectangle. So first we will find length then breadth. So we will write, so 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will become 9 by 2. B is 1 by 2. And fraction how can we add? By taking LCM. Understand? And solve it. Now, (10.2) is very easy exercise. Okay, tell me, it is a figure. One figure is this one, and one is this one. Tell me, which one figure has more region? Tell me, between these two figures, which one have more region? More region means this one region, so which one it is? And from these two figures, which one have more region? This one is more region. So this region we called always area. Okay, this means total surface enclosed by a figure. The total surface, suppose any figure, it is figure. So where is surface? So this surface enclosed by this figure. So this is called area. Now we will learn what is area. So write area. What is area? So area of any figure, how will you find? So you write area, the amount of, otherwise you can write the total surface enclosed by a figure is called area. It's called area. Suppose any figure, this one. Which one? The total surface. So which one is enclosed? This one. So it is area. Where I am writing here, it is area. And perimeter is total length of outer boundary. Are you understand what is difference in perimeter and area? Yes. Next figure. Whose figure? Enclosed figure. The total surface enclosed by a figure. Yes. So it is area. So this one is called area, and perimeter in total length of outer boundary. So it is area. Understand or not? Now next is, now suppose tell me, suppose it is given. Now suppose these are the each square. Okay, this one each square. Understand or not? And now if I ask you what is the area of this one, everyone is a square. Okay, what is area? Area, what I told you, total surface. So this surface is enclosed by figure. This one. So this is a area. So total area of this figure how much? We will count how many square is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total area is 12 square. Total square, 12 square unit you can write. So total area is 12. How many squares? It is the area. So 12 square. Understand or no? Understand it? One more figure. Look at. Suppose this one. It is a figure. Now suppose if I ask you in this figure 1, if I ask you in this figure how many square, you will say sir 1 is complete, one this is also complete, this one is also complete. So total area 2 square plus it is half, so 1 by 2, and how many half square, 1 and 2, 1 by 2 into 2. So what is 2 plus 1? So total square is 3. So always remember, whenever a complete square, the area is 1. If it is half square, its area is half. Understand? So note down it. The area of full square is 1. Second, the area of half square we will take is taken, how much taken? 1 by 2, half. So right, next is the area of less than half square. If it is less than half, it is 0. How much is 0? And next is the area of more than half square is 1. More than half, suppose like this one, if it is given, it is a full square, so its area is 1. If we will take only half, so it is area half, and it is a square. And if I ask you what is area of this one, so it is more than half or not, so it is area 1. And if it is less than 1, so it is area 0. So like this one we will find. So now question number 1. So first note down these 4 point, always remember. Area of full square 1, area of half is half, area of less than half is 0, area of more than half is 1. So look at it, is only one question I will explain, rest of do yourself. A part. Yes. So it is given. So we have find the area of the find the area of figure by counting the square. So how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first we will write how many, right? Total number of fully filled, okay? These are full square, fully filled square. How much? 9, right? Therefore, total area of figure is how much? Because fully square area how much is 1? 1 into 9 square is 9 square unit. It's 9 square unit. Now one more part. Look at. Next is which one part? Now part number E. E part. Look at. Now we have to find what is their area. So in how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many total, right? Number of fully filled square, how much? 10. So right, therefore total area is 10 into 1, 10 square. How much? 10 square. Now we are doing one example of half square. Okay, which one? Look at F part. F part is okay. Okay, we will do some kids. So try to all question yourself. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.